Hi there, today I'm unboxing a power bank. So this particular power bank is by a company called IZETE. Now let's have a quick look around the packaging. Very simple, basic packaging on there, nothing too flashy. Just got the manufacturer details, made in China. Okay, let's open it up and see what we get in the packaging. So this seems like it's the actual power bank. Let's get that out. See if there's anything else in there. Yep, got some instructions and a cable. So let's have a look at the cable initially. Flat cable, quality seems okay. Quite rigid plastic on the ends. That seems fine, yep. Instructions wise, okay, got a section in English and we've got some other languages along the side, so that's fine. So just looking at the instructions briefly, so input is 5 volts 2 amps and there's 2 outputs on this one, and each output is 5 volts 2 amps as well. So that's quite good. Okay, so let's have a look at the actual power bank. Comes in a plastic wrapper. Let's take it out. Quite a large device. Let's have a look at the dimensions on this. So 17 centimeters tall, 8 centimeters wide, and 2 centimeters in depth. Quite a good solid feel to it. The actual design itself, it looks like imitation leather on both sides. This is the back is completely covered, and the front has a top area which is plastic, glossy plastic. You've got plasticky finish, strong plasticky finish around the edges. Now one edge doesn't have anything, neither does the bottom. Now the side actually has a button, so if I press this button, you see the display light up and you can see the actual current capacity. It's a 68% currently, and you've got the words out on there, so I guess it's ready to provide an output. Now on the top of the device, you've got a micro USB point for charging the device and 2 USB points for actually outputting a charge. So it feels really good, really solid feel. So we've got some electronic scales here. I've put the actual power bank into a plastic bag, and let's attempt to weigh it just to give you an idea how heavy this is. So 0.43 kilograms, so a fair weight to this. Obviously this is due to the larger capacity battery within the actual device itself. Okay, so next let's put the device on charge. So we take the actual cable that came with the device and plug one end in, and I've got a power point just here at the side. I'll just plug the other end in there, and let's look on the device itself, and there you go, showing in now. So obviously there's power going in, and if I pull that out, it should say out, so meaning it's ready to provide power. Okay, so let's show the power bank in action. So I've got 2 devices here, an S7, so a Samsung S7, and a Lenovo ZUK2. So on the actual top of the device, let's plug one of the phones in. So if I just go in there, and let's come in close on the actual display. So you can see there, 5 volts, 2.1 amp. And if I pull that out and put it into the other one, 5 volts, 1 amp. So they actually give different outputs, both those charge points. So 1 amp on this one and 2.1 on that. Let's take the other one, let's plug that in, see what you see. Okay, if I click the button at the side, and there you go. Both devices being charged, one at 2.1 amp and the other one at 1.0 amps. So just to show on the actual devices, See it charging just there. And on this one, you can see it charging just there. Okay, so you've seen this power bank by IZETE unboxed. You've seen it in action, charging two devices at the same time. Capacity, as I've already mentioned, is 24,000 milliamps. It actually has two charge points, which is great. It's actually two devices being charged at the same time. There's ample capacity on there. What really attracted me to this one is the fact it has the LCD display. I don't like the devices that don't have any sort of indication how much power is remaining. So this was a big bonus for me. Design-wise, great design, solid build to it, you know. And there you go. Hope it's helped anyone thinking of purchasing this. Thanks for viewing, and don't forget to like and subscribe.